What is supplier experience and why is it valuable? It starts with the power of a question. What if you asked even one supplier a key question? How are we different than your other customers? What could you learn? Maybe there's more waste in your operations. Perhaps your own policies and procedures drive up costs. Maybe your specifications require suppliers to put in more expensive components. Or perhaps your internal technologies prevents you from attracting the best talent in the industry. Now imagine, instead of asking just one supplier, what if you could ask hundreds or thousands of suppliers just the right questions at just the right time across your whole procurement process? What opportunities would emerge? This is the power of experience management for suppliers.
Let's take a look how this can be applied to spend planning and analysis. Here we see an operational dip in RFP response over time. Let's take a deeper look. As we scan our operational data, we can see that in a specific region, and even in another category, we see a dip in our data. But the real question is, why is this happening? This is where Qualtrics Experience Management can step in. By polling suppliers right after they opt in or opt out of an RFI or RFP qualification, we can collect critical feedback on that why question. Now, in mining that why information, we can get to the bottom of how to make improvements. In this particular case, we can see that in the Asia Pacific region, we've taken a significant dip in September. By drilling on that data point, the entire body of supplier comments is mined to see what is the major contributor. Here we see an overwhelming negative sentiment feeling about tariffs. By selecting tariffs, our word cloud will restructure to let us know that restrictions and export are a major concern, and we can see the specific comments those suppliers are making, leading us to act to say that we may need to invite more local in-country suppliers who feel they can be competitive for the business. If we turn to another area on our chart, which was the category deficiencies, we can see here that we've also taken a dip in our digital touchscreen display category in the same time period. By filtering again on October, we'll see here that in this category, we're seeing a different set of sentiments from suppliers, and that one of the major negative drivers is the use of TFT screens. If we click on that, again, the word cloud will mine the comments from the suppliers and let us know that it is the screen and the product specification that we're talking about. And their comments are that this is a product that's being phased out of production. And our action as a buyer might be to go back and say, this might be a product specification change to match the production capacity of the market. This is a way we can turn insights to action to improve the business using Qualtrics.